Hello there, welcome to another video of SwiftCat. In this video, I would like to show you how we can integrate or implement a PayPal payment into Google Sites. So this website is made through a Google site and PayPal button is implemented here. So what it does is when a user clicks on this buy button, so it will redirect to PayPal and it will ask for the payment like. That's it, simple. So this video is brought to you by SwiftCat, so let's jump to do that. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to the Google and you can find here option like to go to your Google Gmail or Meet or whatever. So I'm going to select here the Drive option here. So I'm going to click this Drive and it will go to my Drive section in the Google. And from here you can see there's an option called New. So this is how we create the Google Sites. Okay, so from here you can find this more option. From there you go to this Google Sites. Simple. All right, so the next step is what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an image. Let me remove this part actually, and header, and I'm going to bring an image over here. So let me find an image. Alright, and let me add another section over here. So I want the section to be like this. So inside this section I want to bring an image. Let me upload an image. Alright, so this is there, and the next thing is you can just check for the button options. So if you want, so just drag it over here. You can name and to put a link whatever you like. So I'm not going to do that. So instead of that, what I want to do is I want to place a button which is like buy now. So this is like Apple MacBook here. Alright, so the next thing is I'm going to my PayPal. I'm going to log in. This is paypal.com, and if you doesn't have an account, you need to sign up and do the process of watching all the things. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to click this login. It will go to your account summary page. Alright, so from here what I'm going to do is I'm going to find an option for the settings. So I'm going here like account settings, and from here you find this option like website payments, all these things at the bottom. Here we go, the products and the service. You can find this website payments. Alright, and from here you can find here on the right section like my automatic payment, PayPal buttons. So I'm going to update over here. So I'm clicking this update. It will go to this page where we can do all those things like add to cart if you have multiple items or e-commerce item to sell. And these are other features like a smart subscribe if you have a newsletter channel or something like that, and subscribe, these all things. So for it, now I'm going to click this buy now. This is also a new feature which is implemented by PayPal, which is like a smart payment button, which also gives access to the user to pay via debit or credit card as well from the website itself. So I'm going to choose this one first of all, and I'm going to name this as product name it is asking for. So let me say product MacBook Air, and the price I'm just giving it as $9.99. You can just check for the options for the currency, all these things. I'm just choosing this US dollar, and then let me give a product ID as well, Mac. Alright, simple. and you can find this other customize options, which is for the button size, which is you want the small or large. The button, select the button text, so if you want to buy now, okay, buy now. If you want to pay now, all right. So I'm just clicking this buy now, and the country, all these things, that's it. And if you need further description, all these things also, you can just click on this and make the color, material, all these things. So for a time being, I'm just going to save and create button. And here we go, you have option which is for the generated code, which is like a code section. So I'm going to copy this code from here and going back to the sites again where I created this. Alright, from this what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click here, and I'm going to choose an option which is for embed, and this is an embed code, right? So I'm going to paste this guy, and if you click this, it will show you how it will be looking like. So it will be looking like this, and I'm going to click this insert. Alright, so this will come over here. So what next is, I'm just trying it, making it small. Okay, and I'm going to drag it over here. Simple, that's it. So this is how it looks like. So this is your product, and this is the title or whatever you go. And when you go, there's a button just called buy now. So when the user clicks on this section, which I showed earlier, that it will go to the PayPal account, and it will ask for the user to create or sign up with their PayPal account, and then it will enable for the user to pay the money whatever it is asking for, and they're using by using the credit card or card details, all these things, if you have they are registered. All right, that's it. And the other thing option is, as I said, if I'm going back to this edit section, and I'm going to see this feature. This is smart buttons actually. Unfortunately, this feature is not available in the country where I'm living now, because this option is available. This new feature from the PayPal is available only for the selected countries like UK, US. So you can just if I click this, it will go to the section and it will ask for some other things, because this have some advanced feature, and it really supports in some countries in the world. So how it looks like if you do the same thing which I showed now. So after doing this, it will be showing like this option, like PayPal, pay later, debit or credit card, and also the billing address, and finally for the pay now. This is a good feature. So if you are in a country which is supporting this feature, you can use this as well as suggested. Alright, so that's all in this video. So thank you for watching, and this is very easy and simple, where you can integrate a PayPal thing in our Google sites, so that we don't need to depend anyone from the developers or anything else. We don't need to write any code as well. Easy, simple. I hope this video would help. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.